I'm Michael Grinder. You probably know me, if you know me at all, as connected with this book called Envoy. And what it does is it preserves relationships when managing. The question is, how do you establish relationships? So we have a 3-part series for you. It's called Dog and Cat Students, How to Use Nonverbals to Indicate which students are the dogs and which students are the cats. It's going to be taken from our book called The Cat in the Doghouse. Now, if I may, whether you've taught for 1 year, if you've taught for many years, an easy way to understand your students' personalities is to take your knowledge of household pets, bring it into the classroom. Try to figure out which students are your little dogs that are really happy. They really want to get along with you. They wag their tail. They're great to see you. They want to say goodbye before they go at the end of the day. And then you have what we're going to call our cats. Our cats are not the same. They're very independent. They don't like high dependency on the teacher at all. So why do we have this 3-part series called Dog and Cat Students? It's because you have to be the veterinarian in your classroom. And you've got to figure out how to treat your little creatures, whether they be lower grades or high school, when sometimes they're taller than you are, how to get along, how to understand that if you understand both the dog and the cat, you can create a very safe classroom. We're going to pretend it's a humane society. Great laughter, please, 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 it's serious. You've got to be the veterinarian. And if I may, please understand, dog and cat is not a description of an actual human being. It's a style that they operate from, which means that sometimes with your dogs, you have to be a dog, and with your cats, you have to be a cat. Michael Grinder, welcome to a 3-part series, Dog and Cat Students.